this module entitled RAM types. We start with a course on what CompTIA is, what the A+ is, and how the exam works from a global perspective. Right now we are in the first content course, which is carried appropriately enough hardware. We then do separate courses on other major elements of the CompTIA A+ 901 blueprint, including networking, mobile devices, and troubleshooting. Within the hardware course, we have 15 related modules. We began with BIOS and UEFI. Moving into motherboard components, the current module deals with random access memory or RAM. We then do PC expansion cards, storage devices, CPU and cooling, PC connection interfaces, the power supply, custom PC configurations or special purpose computers, display types, PC connector types, common peripheral devices, smart office, home office devices, print and image technologies, and finally printer maintenance. Well, so as you can see, it's a lot of material, such that by the time you complete this course, you will be very completely grounded in PC hardware. Overview. Our objectives for this module are, first of all, to give you the need to know information regarding random access memory. What is RAM used for? How do you install and new install RAM? How do you configure RAM? But actually, I'm getting ahead of myself. Before we get to the configuration, you need to understand all of the specifications for the form factors, a little bit of the history of RAM. This is really rich and robust subject. RAM properties. There we are going to deal with specific features that random access memory gives, and we are going to see general trends here, just like we have in the module leading up to this one. Finally, we will look at the very important issue of RAM compatibility and testing. So I want to make sure that you know the best practices for selecting RAM and testing it to make sure that it works. Let's get started. Our specific CompTIA A+ 220901 objective here is 1.3, which says that we need to compare and contrast various RAM types and their features.